Master web development with Skill Bakery. Hey everyone, ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing skillbakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
And welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we will be looking at how we can handle errors or exceptions in a better way. So in our previous lecture, we were using expect. This was definitely helpful, but the program was terminating abruptly. Now, in order to ensure that your program runs smoothly and it also handles the exceptions, we will be making use of pattern matching to handle such scenarios. So over here, we will be creating a variable and let's call it as num1, and we will be initializing it with 0. Now, this num1 will be making use of this very statement parse and we'll be assigning it to this variable. But there is a difference. We'll be making use of the match keyword and then we will say first.string.parse. Now this is going to return, as I mentioned earlier, two things. One, okay, that is if it is returning the correct data type, it's if the conversion is successful. Otherwise, it's going to return an error. So here, as you can see, we are getting the auto prompt, auto suggestion for this. So we'll say okay, and we'll be completing this statement. Now, the next thing that we will be capturing is error. As you can see over here, we'll be having error. And for error, you can see we have already one parameter with underscore. So we are just correcting it with underscore ERR to make it more verbose, more clear. And then we have the message which says, please type a number. Now the same thing we will be doing for the second number as well. So here you can see I've commented the second number line, and here I'll be creating this as num2, and this time we'll be setting it over here as num2, and instead of first number we'll be using the second number over here, and num will be assigned to num2. And that's pretty much it. After that, we can just go ahead and drop in this statement, put it over here, and use num2 and num1 for this method sum that we have. Now let's save this and compile it using cargo run. And here you can see it says, please enter first number. Let's go ahead and enter a string over here. You can see that it says please type a number and then it's asking for the second number. So the program is not terminating abruptly now, and it's also giving you the user defined message that we have mentioned in our error case. Over here, if I again go ahead and provide another string, you can see that it's giving me the error message, please type a number, and then it's also returning the result as 0. The sum is 0 because these two strings cannot be converted to integer values. So the default values that we assigned to these two numbers were added together and the result was shown.